Alright, so positive day, Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi, Sunga, Providing Change Project. Magandang tanghali sa lahat ng Delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Dr. Gigi, Sunga. So, one announcement lang tayo. October 18 and 19, malapit na po yan. Sa Hong Kong tayo with Ma'am Joyce. So, you can avail of our group or one-on-one coaching. Message lang po sa aking FB page or sa aking number 0939-525-4311. And sa lahat mag gusto magpakot sa atin, personal or online, message lang kayo. And if you want to advertise your business, you can also message me. Okay. Alright, so the new business ni Doc G. Dahil business ni Doc, no? Ano yung kasi yung brain ko po. Pero ayaw niyang tumigil eh. So, ang dami kong, I have 3 in the pipeline, then another one na pumapasok sa isipan ko. So, everyday, bago tayo matulog, nag-isip tayo ng ano pwede natin gawin. Kumbaga yung brain natin ngayon, medyo, ano siya, nakain. Anong tawag doon? Ayaw tumigil, okay? So, today I'm announcing official announcement of our new business. And actually, existing na siya, in-improve lang natin. GDS Negosyo Hub. Yan. So, palakpak po sa lahat ng delivers natin. This business is for you, para sa lahat na gusto magsimula ng business. So, ito po ay may formula ako na ginawa, MDA. So, MDA. So, what is MDA? Okay, ganito po. Explain ko na si Negosyo Hub. GDS Negosyo Hub. So, it's actually a part of GDS Corporate Training. So, nag-train tayo ng, I'm conducting seminars for different companies, schools, public or private. So, that's under GDS Corporate Training. Okay? So, in-expand lang natin ang services ni GDS Corporate Training. Right? So, I'm just expanding it by having this program, GDS Negosyo Hub. Okay? So, it's a one-stop business shop sa lahat ng mga gusto magkaroon ng negosyo. Okay? So, ganito po ang process. So, marami kasi sa atin nagpapakood. So, Doc, I want to start my own business. I want to have additional source of income. So, pagkatapos kung namin mag-usap, pag kinumusta ko, wala na, hindi na nila nagawa. So, now, GDS Negosyo Hub is a one-stop shop. That is just to make sure na gagawin mo yung iyong negosyo. I-implement mo yung negosyo mo. Okay? So, I have the MDA. So, Doc G, ano MDA? Ito ituturo natin MDA. Okay? Ang MDA is, M is mindset. Mula doon sa mindset. Let's face it. Yung mindset ng ordinaryong tao, employee, sa walang negosyo, iba yan. Pero pag nag-start ka na to jump from being an employee or kung di mo employee, nasa bahay lang, you want to start your own business or OFW, pupunta sa business, may malaking adjustment. At lahat niya magsisimula sa mindset. So, the first thing na pag-uusapan natin sa GDS Negosyo Hub is changing your mindset. Okay? It's actually shifting it. Okay? To business mode. Okay? So, ngayon, yung brain natin ngayon, yung mindset natin, isip natin, magiging 360 degrees turn siya. Okay? So, kailangan ang isipan natin, ang mindset natin, na-focus tayo sa business. A business-minded mindset, a business-oriented mind. So, iyan ang gagawin natin. And that's under GDS Negosyo Hub. And that's letter M. Okay? That's the first. Okay? Second part ng ating Negosyo Hub na gagawin is the D. D is a decision. Lahat ng mindset natin, pwedeng mabago yan eh. Pwedeng from negative, gawin natin siya positive. From sad mindset to happy mindset, di ba? From poor mindset to rich mindset. So, pwede nating baguhin yan eh. Pero, baliwala yan unless we make decision. Okay? So, during our course, pag-uusap natin sa Negosyo Hub ni Doc G, so, I will assist you to make a decision. And that decision is not only to make you to help you decide for that business, it's also to help you to make that final decision that you have to leave something, that you will not be doing the same old ways, and now you have that decision to do new things in your life. Okay? So, kaya meron tayong decision time. And kasama ng decision nandyan, what business that fits you, what business that will answer the problem of your community, what business that will best, okay, bring out the best in you. Kasi yun yung, that's the essence of having a business eh. Sabi nga ni Jim Rohn eh, it's what you become during the process. That's very important. Kaya doon sa mga nag-start mag-business, then nag-fail, it's okay. Kasi ang dami natin natutunan during the process. My first business failed, junk shop. So nag-junk shop kami ng best friend ko, kay Ma'am Marino. So it did not work, nagkautang pa kami. Nagka-problema pa, ang dami pa naging problem actually. Buti na lang, na-save namin mga sarili namin. Kasi involved na yung family namin noon, marami na mga issues, mga kapitbahay namin, so something like that. Pero hindi naman kami nagpa-apekto, so something like that. So what I'm trying to say is, may nag-fail, pero I learned a lot. Ang dami namin natutunan sa first business namin na naging failure, okay? So it's a decision time. It's a decision that you're going to change your life, that you're going to improve everything in you, okay? So bali, ang end output natin dito, the final is, didesisyon na natin anong negosyo. Hindi paano malalaman. So magkakaroon tayo ng parang, if I can't go there in your community for your community scanning, so at least magkakaroon tayo ng profiling, demographic profile ng inyong place. Kailangan yan, Dodi. Kailangan natin yan. Malaman, ano ba yung place na pagtatayo mo ng negosyo, ano ba yung marami diyang estudyante, empleyado, what types of people are living there. So, kailangan natin malaman yan. Kaya sabi ko, hindi siya minamadali. Dapat ayusin natin, tingnan natin mabuti. Okay? So, that's a decision kasi yun para makadecide tayo what business. Kasi meron na rin kami dalang business opportunities for you. Whether services yan or food or anything. So, complete package siya. Kaya nga siya negosyo hub. Kaya siya, it's a one-stop negosyo shop. Okay? And the last is, A is an action. So, sisimulan na natin after you decide from the mindset to decision to the action. So, a-action na natin siya. So, ibig sabihin yan, implement na natin. Sisimulan na natin siya. Okay? So, kasama nyo ako from getting the permit, construction, and everything. Kasama nyo si GDS Negosyo Hub. Bago namin kayo iwanan, nakat nyo na yung ribbon. From the mindset to the cutting of your ribbon. Yan ang ating bagong tagline. Hindi ko lang naisip, no? Naisip nito. Okay? So, hindi namin kayo pakakawalan. Agad din yun nasisimulan ng yung negosyo. Okay? So, Doc G, paano ba ako mag-avail niyan? Okay, so, you know my Facebook page and you know my number, 0939-525-4311. So, pwede tayong mag-usap. You can visit me here in Balanga. Actually, magkaka-office tayo sa dito sa malapit sa palengke. But we can always have other place. Like, kung malayo kayo, I can go to your office or place. Pwede tayong mag-meet somewhere. Okay? Para, actually, it's at 3 hours. Okay? 3 hours consultation meeting with Doc G. Exclusive with me. So, you can have me for 3 hours para mapag-usapan natin yung mga maraming bagay. Okay? So, you can start your own business by availing sa ating DDS Negosyo Hub from mindset to ribbon cutting. Okay? So, you have the MDA, mindset, decision, and action. Okay? Alright, so I'll just wait for your call to start your own business. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at mula dating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Gilivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go, let's go.